Lakshya, can you read the thought?
Yes, ma'am. Earth give us hammer of the joy. We hammer, ma'am, is for
Hamper. Earth gives us hamper of joy.
we hamper for fun and destroy. Conserve the earth, conserve the soil.
Yeah. Can anyone explain this? Earth gives us hamper of joy. We
Ma'am,
hamper it for fun and destroy it. Yes, Lakshya.
Ma'am, the earth will give us everything. They will give us, the earth will give us food, everything they will give. But we are like destroying that. Like we are throwing the plastic on the road. Like this, we are destroying. So we should not put the plastic on the roads, and we have to prevent the we have to prevent the.
Okay, very good. The theme for World Soil Day this year, one second, is soil and water, a source of life. Every year they have a different theme. So this year the theme is that not only soil but also water is a source of life. Okay.
yes,
Now let us see a short skit that the students of TCO1 have prepared to make us realize the importance of soil and how important it is, how crucial.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na
Wow!
na na na.
Very nice. I'm having so much fun. Carry on.
He doesn't want to do any work, but wants all of the fun.
Did you say something?
No, no, Your Highness. Nothing.
Now
yes.
let's go ahead and see a mind-blowing dance performance which will just keep you glued to the screen. And this performance is done by one of your friends, Jay Resso.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. This very body is soil. My body, your body, everybody is just soil body.
So, I'll hand over this session now to Neha ma'am to show your performances for the slogan competition.
Class 6. First one is from Lakshya Menon. So she has written it entirely on her own. And well done, Lakshya. There is actually no land. If there is no land, then there is no life at all. Alright, moving towards the next participant.
We celebrate World Soil Day? Any answers? Why do we celebrate World Soil Day? This little history about it. It is World Soil Day is actually started. It was started to be celebrated by United Nations General Assembly in 2013. And this was basically to raise awareness about the significance of soil as a vital resource. Now, what is a resource? Resource is anything that benefits us, right?
So, to make our students more acquainted with the facts and figures, I would like to call upon Mr. Vishal to take this session ahead. I would like to share some information about our speaker as well for today. Vishal Sharma, he is an earth buddy who joined Save Soil movement as a volunteer last year. Now his passion is to reach out to as many children as possible and tell them about soil.
It's not about oranges alone. Any fruit you eat today, you have to eat almost 8 to 10 times of the quantity which gives you the same nutritional value which your grandparents had around 50 years back. Now that is something worrisome, right? Culture soils are already degraded. What percentage? I think we should have a lot of answers back.
So, for this, we have got the correct answer from Tara and Farhan.
And he showed the importance of soil conservation and environmental responsibilities. His passion for spreading awareness about our Mother Earth and the interconnectedness of our lives with the soil is truly commendable. In extending our deepest thanks, we acknowledge to the intellectual and emotional generosity Mr. Sharma has shared with us. His commitment to create a better and more sustainable world is a testament of power of individual action. Thank you, sir, for not just being a gracious guest, but a true ambassador for environmental awareness and responsibility. May your passion continue to inspire us, and we will carry the lesson learned here.